Okay, let's start to prepare the crab. In a cold environment, this will put it into a coma-like state. You'll be able to dispatch the crab in as humane a process as possible. So start by cutting the abdominal flap. Cut halfway into the center mass. And just pull those apart, removing the carapace. After you dispatch the crab will still be moving. That's just the nervous system, okay? Removing the gills, or dead man's fingers, as they're also known. I remove the tips of the legs. And the other side and throw away. Remove these gills on this side as well. Now with the carapace, you want to just trim the edge so that you can easily get the tamale inside, which you want to leave. It's not to everyone's taste, but it's really good, it's nutritious. And then we move on to the second crab, do the same thing. Depending on what you're cooking, you might want to save all these juices if you're making soup or stock, or for your sauce to accompany the crab. But for this dish, we were going to be deep frying it, so it wasn't necessary. Remove the eyes, brain and other organs from the front. Right, now we're going to split these halves up into threes. So just let the knife do the work. You can use the flat or the back edge of the knife just to crack the claws. This helps to cook the meat a lot quicker, and it means it's easier to get into the nice crab meat. Don't bring it too much, or otherwise the meat will fall out when cooking. Okay, so we're going to collect all the bits together, give them a good wash. Don't be too rough with it, just want to give it a bit of a rinse. Now the crab is ready to cook it, whichever method you want to use, whether deep fry, pan fry, boil, up to you. So I hope you all enjoyed that. Stay tuned for next week, but hopefully see you there. All right, cheers, bye.